Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Washington, local and long distance movers near me. Our crew of experienced movers can make sure your long distance move goes properly. Regardless of how far you need to relocate, our experienced crew of movers will make it so much simpler. By having the best moving services to help you, any kind of relocation, small or large, becomes a lot easier. If you're searching for a general move or a full service move, our company offers all the right choices for you, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It's not always easy to justify the cost of an Illinois moving company, and when you evaluate the benefits you gain, though, the cost can be a lot easier to deal with. You're going to certainly save time with your local move when you hire a moving company. Movers can also ensure you don't need to worry about any of the heavy lifting or the injury that comes along with it. Our crew of expert movers are going to certainly make sure your move is very efficient. You don't need to worry about spending multiple days taking care of your move when you pick 3 movers to help. It doesn't matter how big your move is, we can get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Washington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.